Identify the animal. Monkey. Can you name the animal? Swan. Guess which animal this is. Bear. What animal do you think this is? Seahorse. Can you figure out the animal? Jellyfish. What's the animal? Hamster. Name the creature. Dragonfly. Which animal is this? Lion. Guess the creature. Panther. Can you recognize this animal? Pig. Can you guess this animal? Parrot. What's the name of this animal? Chameleon. What animal do you see? Whale. Identify this animal. Panda. Which creature is this? Peacock. Can you tell what animal this is? Seal. Guess what animal this is? Spider. Do you know this animal? Badger. What kind of animal is this? Frog. Try to guess the animal. Stork. Name this animal. Snail. Take a guess of the animal. Dolphin. What animal is hiding here? Deer. Identify the animal. Bulldog.